Today I'll show you how to make your text transparent inside Photoshop. So right here I have a normal background photo, and first of all, let's add our text. Press the letter T on the keyboard and type in whatever you want. Now resize your text and make it much bigger in size so it can fit most of the screen. Now place it right in the middle of the background image. Of course this is optional because you can place it anywhere you want. You can also customize your text font and style with the character panel, but I'm not gonna do that. I don't wanna waste your time. But what I'm gonna do to make it transparent is I'm gonna click on the fill button and I'm gonna decrease the value to 0%, and by doing so the text is gonna disappear. Don't worry, because if we right click it and then go to blending options and then add a stroke to it, you can see that we automatically obtain that transparent effect. You can then resize the stroke to be around 30 for example, and make sure the position is set to outside. You can also set a color for your stroke, and you can also make this effect better by adding an inner glow. Set the blend mode of the glow to screen, increase its opacity if we want, and you can click this box and pick a color from your background image to kinda make the text blend more, I guess, with the image. And you can choose to remove this, of course, it's optional. But yeah, if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.